Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's just head over in here on our apps. And then let's head over and click on this all recommended apps. And then from in there, scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. Now from this one, what we can do is we can click on this search bar and search in here for Facebook Pixel. You have your Facebook Pixel, so just click on that. And then this will search the App Store for the Facebook Pixel, and we have all of these things right here. So I recommend you to choose the ones that actually has this built for Shopify, such as this one right here. You can also refine this by clicking on the program and applying the built for Shopify right here. So for example, you can use this Omega, but for me, I'll just use this Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel right here. So let's head over and click on this one. Then from in there, head over and click on install. And then once you have installed that, as you can see, it will open a new tab where it will ask for access in order to successfully integrate this program to your Shopify. So head over and click on install right here. And then once you have installed that, it will show you the dashboard. So let's just wait for this to finish the loading process. So once you have installed it, you can see the dashboard that it will ask you for what plan you want. For me, I'll just use the pre-plan for now in order to show you the tutorial. So as you can see, the pre-plan has been activated. So you can head over and create the pixel. So just click on this right here and then click on create. And then from in there, you should be able to see this chats right here for the pixel for yourself. So just head over and compose a message that you want to use for this one. You can also click on these more channels right here in order to open the pixel for your actual Facebook. So the good thing about this is you can actually head over and add as well the pixel for TikTok. So under this Facebook pixel, you just need to add your Facebook pixel in here. So first, let's try to activate it. Click on this activate extension, and then this will open a new tab right here where it will be redirected to the Shopify editor. So on the Shopify editor, you should be able to see the app embeds right here. So just head over and enable this infinite FB right here and save your progress. Now, once you have done that, head back in here. And then as you can see, it has been removed or it has been changed. Now on this Facebook pixel, just click on this one. Now just put in here your pixel name, your pixel ID, your target area, and all of these things right here. And once you have done that, just click on save right here and you should be able to add your Facebook pixel to your Shopify. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.